White versus black, who will win?
Oh.
Hello there, friend. Raw. Hey, I'm gonna jump. At least I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna drop kick. Hey, bye bye, white. Pow! Flip time. Yes, sir. Black has won. But I don't think black would win this battle. So, give a like and subscribe. Wait for part 2.